There's a voice that never sleeps, talking when it should be quiet, telling me I'm not enough, even when I'm trying. Lights off, but my mind's awake. Every choice I overthink, every word I never said echoes in my head. I smile, but they don't know there's a war behind my eyes. I'm fighting battles on my own every single night. There's noise in my head, and it won't slow down. Every fear, every doubt, just screaming so loud. I try to breathe, but I'm close to the edge, living every day with this noise in my head. They say just don't think that way, like it's something I can choose. If I could turn it off, you know I never feel this loose. Every mistake on replay, every failure on repeat. Even when I'm standing still, my mind won't let me be. I laugh, but it's pretend. I say I'm fine again, but I'm so tired of fighting this war. I never win. There's noise in my head, and it won't slow down. Every fear, every doubt, just screaming so loud. I try to breathe, but I'm close to the edge, living every day with this noise in my head. Maybe I'm not broken, maybe I'm just scared, maybe I'm just learning how to be repaired. Maybe all this pressure, maybe all this pain isn't here to break me, maybe it's to make me. There's noise in my head, but I'm still standing, I'm still breathing, I'm still here. There's noise in my head, but I won't back down. I'll face every fear, I'll stand my ground. One day soon, this war will end, and I'll find peace inside my head. One day the noise will fade, one day I'll be okay.